If you are working on CapCut desktop app, this video walks you through on how to select different aspect ratios. Okay, so let me get to the app. So look at the video I'm working on right now. So by default, no aspect ratio is assigned. All right. So let's say I want to publish this video on YouTube. I'll click on this aspect ratio. Okay. And then I will select 16 by 9. So with this, any video I'm editing here, everything will be in that 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Okay. Alternatively, maybe you want to post it on Facebook or maybe on TikTok. You click here. Once you drag your video clips from here down here, click on this section where you will have aspect ratio. Then you select 9 by 16 because that is a vertical video. All right. So, but in this case, I don't want to have it in this aspect ratio, but the one for YouTube because this video is made for YouTube. And what do? I'll click on undo and it has taken me back to my 16 by 9. It is that simple. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you some other time.